Guangzhou, Promake Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a professional machinery global provider for cosmetics, pharmaceutical, food and daily chemical industries. Our main products are vacuum emulsifying homogenizers, washing liquid mixers, RO water purification system, fully automatic filling, caping and labeling machines, tube filling and sealing machines, conveyor belts, storage tanks, and perfume machines. Some of them have obtained CE certification, with strong support by factory Guangzhou Boer Machinery Equipment Company Limited. We have accumulated over 20 years' experience to provide one-station solutions to clients from designing, manufacturing, installing, maintaining, and technology improving. We have obtained a number of practical patents and the certificate of high-tech enterprise issued by Chinese authorities, which shows our strong comprehensive strength. Since the establishment of Promake Company, we have cooperated with clients over 70 countries. Every continent in the world has countries that use Promake brand machines. Our engineers have been to Southeast Asia, Australia, and Europe to help customers install equipment and provide them with professional training. Every year, we participate in the international exhibitions to let our machines be reviewed by customers and peers. At the same time, we also introduce foreign and advanced technology to improve our design and quality so as to meet the high customization needs of customers. Our showroom is in modern city of Flower, Guangzhou. Many machines are available. You are warmly welcome to visit our Promake family for cooperation.